Hey guys, it's Maria and welcome back to my channel. So your girl got straight hair today and I just wanted to do an entire video dedicated to how I prep my hair for heat and every single thing that I use for the process of taking my hair from curly to straight, because I get a lot of questions about it and it's a lot to keep explaining over and over and over. So I'm going to show you guys my wash day routine as well as all the products and tools that I use to achieve this look. So if you want to see what I do, then keep on watching. So when it comes to going from curly to straight, the wash day process is kind of the same in the sense of I'm going to shampoo and condition my hair and deep condition it, but the products do change. So when it comes to shampooing my hair, I want a really good clean slate to start off with because I don't want anything weighing my hair down. So this time I used the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla shampoo, and honestly, I just wanted my scalp to be clean, but I also want my hair to be moisturized because I'm going to be putting heat on it and not a lot of products, so anything that keeps my hair moisturized is good for me. So just like any other wash day, after shampooing my hair, I would go in with a conditioner, and my conditioner really is for detangling. So I use the Garnier Fructis Nourishing Treat 1 minute hair mask, and this one is in the coconut extract. And to detangle my hair, I just use the detangling brush from Hair Therapy. Hair Therapy is a local, hair care brand in Trinidad. So I use these two for the conditioning process. Now, because I'm going to put heat in my hair, I want to make sure my hair is really well protected. And when it comes to my deep conditioner, I try to use something with protein, something that's moisturizing, and something to control frizz. I haven't found a product that does all of those things, so I make my own concoction. So I use any deep conditioning mask. Because I had this one really close by, I just used this. This is just the base, right? So I put some of this, then I used my Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. So I use a scoop of this, as well as I put in some of my Tresemme Keratin Smooth 7-Day Smooth System Conditioner, and something that I just started using is my Shea Infra Treatment Thermal Protective Treatment, and this is a conditioner. So all of these things were mixed together to give me a concoction that would have protein, moisturize my hair, and help with frizz. So I just applied my little concoction to my hair and I left it in for 30 minutes. My hair is protein sensitive, so I didn't want to overdo it and actually cause more harm than good. So I only left it in for 30 minutes and then rinsed it out. My hair was really soft and I felt really comfortable getting ready to put heat in my hair. So after wash day, I put my hair into and just kind of let it air dry a little bit. I don't want to go in with heat when it's dripping wet because I don't see that turning out really well. So the first product that I use when it comes to blow drying my hair is the Eva NYC Mane Magic 10-in-1 Primer. This is just something extra because it has 10 benefits, which would be detangling, reducing frizz, strengthening, softening. It says that it cuts drying time, adds shine, nourishes, smooths, and protects against thermal and UV damage. I want those things, and because I'm not putting a lot of products on my hair, this is just like a little, an easy way to add moisture without weighing my hair down. So I really enjoyed using this product. It's really lightweight. I like it. Now after adding that, then I went in with an actual heat protectant spray because I mean it says it has all of those benefits, but I just want to be even more careful. So my favorite heat protectant spray is the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protection Shine Spray. Now there's another version. It's in a black bottle and has like red accents. I really like that as well. I just haven't been able to find it. So this is really good as well. I use it. I don't like put heat in my hair without using this face. Like, this is my insurance. This is what makes me feel comfortable putting a flat iron in my hair. So I really like this. So I just spritz it in each section before going in with heat. So, and now time to show you all my blow dryer. So I use two things to blow dry my hair, but this time I used the Revlon One Stop hair dryer. This is just really easy to use. It's affordable. You know, because it has the bristles, it makes stretching my hair and making it as straight as possible before flat ironing very easy. I like it. I mean, I have a Dyson as well. It's just that I wanted to make my routine very affordable. Every time I use my Dyson, I get comments about, you know, it's so expensive. Nobody's going to be using it because they can't afford it. So I wanted to show y'all what I do with something that's affordable. So this is what I used. It also has multiple heat settings. So it has a high, low, and cool. So I don't only use it when I'm going to flat iron my hair. Anytime I'm trying to do like a protective hairstyle that involves me stretching my hair, this is most likely what I'm gonna use. I really like this. I have been using it for a really long time and I'll continue using it. If something happens to it, I'm probably gonna buy it again. Like, it is just that good. Now by this time we are already done blow drying our hair and it's time to put the flat iron to the strands. Now, you remember I said I just need to protect my hair in any way that I can? Yeah, after I blow dry my hair, I still go back in with products to kind of help with protecting my hair from the heat, because the flat iron is a different kind of heat. This is like direct, putting my hair through two plates, you know, putting my hair on an oven kind of heat, and it's like I just don't want to damage my hair. Now, when it comes to the flat iron set of products, I tried new things. I don't really try new things when it comes to flat ironing my hair, but you know, Shea is a brand that is very raved about when it comes to like heat styling. So I got the Shea 44 Iron Guard Thermal Protection Spray, and I didn't really know how to feel about it. It's a very sticky and I just didn't understand what is the reason, like what is the reason for a heat protectant spray to be sticky. Like, it just made my hair come together really like weirdly and I just wasn't a big fan of that. I actually did this side using this and this side without it, and I actually preferred how this side looked. Like, the ends of my hair, they were a little bit more like straight because I sprayed this more to my ends, and the ends of this side was just a little bit more frizzy, and this side was just, it wasn't as sleek as this side. So I don't know if I'll continue using it. I feel like I would use it for styles that I am using heat, like if I'm gonna stretch my hair, but not for flat ironing. It just wasn't my favorite, but I still used it for this um for to achieve these results. But you know, one of the other reasons why I was so excited to try Shea is because I saw a lot of persons loving the Silk Infusion. I got like a little mini bottle, and this is a silk reconstructing complex. I didn't know how to feel about it when I was doing this side of my hair, because I was also using this and I was like, this isn't really making my hair look really sleek. It's still very frizzy. Like, now the strands of my hair were straight, but they weren't flat. I don't know how to explain it, but like this side of my hair wasn't as straight as this side. So at first I was like, you know, everybody raves about it, but it's not my favorite. I don't know if I'll continue using it. I'll just find something else to make my hair look really silky and shiny without being too oily. But then when I got onto this side, I think I need to get the bigger bottle. All I used on this side was the Eva. I went back to this. So I used the Eva NYC Mane Magic 10-in-1 primer, and this combination was my favorite. When I was finished with this side, my hair was so flat. By the way, it has been 3 days since I flat ironed my hair and I haven't used heat. Like, this is just what my hair looks like 3 days after. All I did was put a little edge control in the front to like lay these pieces down, but I haven't flat ironed my hair again, and I still feel like it looks really good. As you can tell, this is this is the side where I use the 44 iron guard, and you can see, yes, my ends look straight, but it's very fluffy. This is the side that I use the Eva NYC Mane Magic primer, as well as the Silk Infusion, and you can actually tell the difference. So yeah, those were the things that I use. Oh, honorable mention, another hair therapy product. This is the comb that I use to chase my hair with a flat iron, and because the bristles were so much smaller, it gave me like a really sleek look right out of the flat iron, and my hair, like, it just glided through the the teeth of the comb. Please excuse my hair. I filmed this entire video and then I realized that I forgot to tell you guys about my flat iron. How? But I used the NuMe Silhouette Straightener, and it was my first time using it on my hair. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know if it's because one side of my hair is like kind of frizzy and then the next side is a little bit sleeker, but I've used flat irons that had my hair like real straight, and I mean, I went over this section more times than I'd like to admit, and it still didn't really make that much of a difference. So I don't know, I'm trying to find like a real great flat iron that isn't gonna give me heat damage, but for now this is the one that I'm using. So yeah, that is how I prepare my hair for heat. I try to be as detailed as I possibly can, explaining everything that I do in the shower, as well as the products that I use when it comes to blow drying and flat ironing my hair. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it really helpful, because I was just trying to help, I just tried to answer as many of the questions that I get when it comes to me and having straight hair. And well, obviously, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave me comments, let me know what you guys would like to see. Also, follow me on my social media accounts. Trust me, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you are missing out. Keep up with what I'm doing. It's kind of lit. My Instagram like shows behind the scenes of whatever I'm doing. I also have more things that I don't post on my YouTube on there as well, so don't forget to check that out. But that's all for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.